Listen up, 18 to 30-year-olds in the US. The financial landscape of 2025 is shifting fast. Student loans, housing, and daily expenses are all surging. That traditional path you were promised? It's often a dead end, leaving you feeling trapped. But what if there was a smarter way to build wealth, right from your home, starting now? I'm F, and just a few years ago, I was exactly where you might be, stressed, anxious, and searching for a better way. That's when I discovered the power of online businesses. This video isn't just a list, it's a roadmap to 5 actionable online business models you can start with minimal capital. We'll cover how to identify your strengths, market your services, and build systems that generate income, even when you're not working. This is about real financial independence, not just extra cash. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the fastest way to start earning online high-value digital freelancing. Take a skill you have, or can learn quickly, and offer it as a service to businesses that need it. This isn't about low-paid gigs. It's about positioning yourself as an expert and charging premium rates. Businesses want results, not just cheap labor. Skills like video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, or coding are in high demand. The better you get, the more you can charge. No corporate ladder, no waiting for a raise. Start by identifying what you're good at or what you enjoy. Even if you're starting from scratch, platforms like YouTube and Skillshare can help you learn a high-income skill in weeks. Pick one skill and go deep. Next, find clients on Upwork, Fiverr Pro, or LinkedIn. Most freelancers blend in, stand out with a killer portfolio and personalized proposals. Position yourself as a strategic partner, not just a hired hand. Numbers matter. A skilled video editor can charge $75 $150+ per hour. A good copywriter can earn thousands per project. Land a couple of small projects to build your portfolio and get testimonials. As you build your reputation, raise your rates and shift to project-based pricing. A $2,000 project that takes 10 hours? That's $200 an hour. Freelancing is the ultimate lifestyle business. Work from anywhere with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. The initial phase requires hustle. Build your skills, portfolio, and client base. But momentum builds fast. Happy clients lead to referrals and higher-paying projects. Soon, you'll be turning down work because you're fully booked. Freelancing injects immediate cash flow and teaches you sales, marketing, and client management, skills you'll use forever. Your challenge: pick one high-value skill, learn it, and create a simple portfolio, even if it's just personal projects. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the rewards have never been higher. Take that first step. This is your most direct path to taking back control of your income. Don't wait for permission. Start building your freelance business today. The freedom and earning potential are in your hands. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only thing stopping you is inaction. So what skill will you master first? Write it down, commit, and get started. Your future self will thank you. Let's move to the next idea. Ready? Let's go. Next up, creating and selling your own digital products for scalable passive income. Unlike freelancing, digital products let you earn from one to many, not just one-to-one. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, workout plans, or even software. The magic? Create once, sell infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, no overhead. You don't need to be a world-class expert. Just know more than the person you're helping. Solve a specific problem for a specific audience. Don't make a course on how to be successful. Make one on how to land your first 3 freelance clients. People pay for shortcuts and clear roadmaps. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Podia make selling digital products easy. No tech skills required. But marketing is key. Build an audience on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog. Give value for free, build trust, then offer your paid product as the next step. Example: share Notion productivity tips on YouTube, then sell your ultimate Notion system to your audience. Even a $50 product selling 20 copies a month is $1,000 extra income. Scale your audience and the numbers multiply. This isn't overnight success, but it's a powerful, scalable system. Your action step: brainstorm 3 things you know how to do that others struggle with. For each, think of a specific problem you could solve. Research if there's a market. Competition means demand. Don't be intimidated. See competition as validation. Start outlining your first digital product today. Remember, your unique journey and solutions are valuable. Package your knowledge, help others, and get paid over and over. Ready to build your first digital asset? Let's keep going. Want to sell physical products without the risk? Enter niche e-commerce, dropshipping and print on demand. No inventory, no shipping headaches, no big upfront costs. With dropshipping, you build an online store, but your supplier ships products directly to your customers. Your profit is the difference between what you charge and what you pay the supplier. Print on demand lets you design products like shirts or mugs that are printed and shipped only when someone orders. The secret to success? Go niche. Don't try to be Amazon. Target a passionate group with specific needs. Think eco-friendly yoga mats for city dwellers or custom collars for French bulldogs. The more specific, the easier to market and build a loyal brand. Shopify and apps like Oberlo or Printful make launching your store fast and easy. Marketing is everything. Use targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok and build a community around your brand. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Expect to invest time in research, finding suppliers, and learning digital marketing. But the payoff? A brand that can generate thousands in sales per month with healthy profit margins. You'll learn valuable skills, branding, marketing, customer service, that transfer to any business. Action step: explore niches on Etsy, Pinterest, or Amazon. Look for products with passionate buyers and room for a better brand. Write down 10 potential niches and start researching. The right niche is the foundation of your e-commerce success. Ready to build your online store? Let's move on. Fourth idea: affiliate marketing and content monetization. Earn commissions by recommending products you love. No need to create or ship anything. Build an audience on YouTube, a blog, TikTok, or Instagram around a topic you're passionate about. Share honest reviews, tutorials, or comparisons, and include affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Many companies offer even higher commissions through their own affiliate programs or networks like ShareASale and ClickBank. Authenticity is key. Only promote products you truly believe in. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Content you create today can earn you passive income for years. Start small. Your first month might be a few dollars, but it compounds as your audience and content library grow. Affiliate marketing pairs perfectly with other business models. Use it to generate income while building your own products. Action step: list products and services you already use and love. Search for their affiliate programs. Think about what content you could create: reviews, tutorials, or comparisons. Start turning your recommendations into income. Ready for the final idea? The fifth idea is a meta-skill: online business automation and optimization. Every online business needs systems to run efficiently. This is where you come in. As an automation specialist, you help business owners save time and money by automating repetitive tasks. Use no-code tools like Zapier or Make to connect apps and streamline workflows. Example: automate adding new Shopify customers to an email list and a Google Sheet, saving hours every week. Demand is exploding. Business owners will pay well for time-saving solutions. You don't need to be a programmer. No-code platforms are visual and easy to learn. Offer your services as a freelancer or on retainer, or even package your knowledge into a course. This skill is future-proof. AI and automation are only growing. Think of yourself as a digital plumber, connecting the pipes so everything flows smoothly. Simple projects can earn hundreds. Complex systems can command thousands. You're selling results: more efficient, profitable, and less stressful businesses. Action step: sign up for Zapier or Make and automate a simple task in your own life. Watch a few tutorials and experiment. Demystify the process and see how powerful these tools can be. This is your first step toward mastering the meta skill of the digital economy. There you have it: 5 powerful online side business ideas for 2025. Each is a pathway to financial independence. Don't wait, the opportunity is online, and the only thing holding you back is inaction. Imagine the freedom to travel, invest in yourself, and live a life of choice. Freelancing, digital products, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and automation. Pick one and take the first step. You don't have to do them all, just start. The journey begins with a single click. If you're serious about taking action, check out our playlist on business growth strategies or mastering online marketing. These resources will help you move from concept to results. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Keep learning, keep building, and keep striving for the life you deserve. We're here to help you every step of the way. Now go make it happen.